Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about this. Yeah, you see it with your own eyes. This, a scorpion sucker. And that's a real scorpion inside, guys. That's a lollipop, a scorpion literally inside of a lollipop. And you guys are looking in the background. You guys are probably thinking, where are you? You're probably not in your house, not in Virginia. That's true. I'm not in Virginia, not in my house. I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona. Everybody, the view is amazing. Cactuses, prickly pears. Oh my God. Even the Red Rock Canyons, we went there today. Mind-blowing, everybody. Oh my God. We went to Sedona, Arizona today. It was a 2-hour drive, and we saw a lot of cactus, a lot of artwork. We went to the Red Rock Scenic Byway. Yeah, Scenic Byway. And I also saw a lizard. I thought it was a skink, but it was actually a spiny lizard. Spiny lizard was the name or something, but it had a vibrant light blue color. It's amazing, guys. You guys should go check it out if you live near Ohio or something, near Arizona, even if you're in Arizona right now. Yeah. We saw the canyons. And I really want to see an animal, like a coyote or something, but when we were entering Arizona, we actually saw a mountain goat, a white mountain goat. He was literally walking sideways, and my mom spotted him, so I was like, whoa. And it was a long drive, Virginia to Scottsdale, Arizona. Oh my God, 2-day long drive. I mean, we were so tired. We literally came back and rested. And so here we're gonna tell some facts about this scorpion sucker. Imagine if this was Coyote Peterson. He actually got stung by a giant hairy scorpion. Yeah, and it was kind of like a bee sting. Go check out Coyote Peterson's channel, type in Brave Wilderness and search up giant hairy scorpion. Oh, you guys will see how it feels like to be stung by a scorpion. But this scorpion, it actually removed its stinger, so it's not gonna hurt you when you eat it. It's edible, I can't believe it. And these are special, so if you come to Arizona, I definitely recommend you get this lollipop. Different colors, there's pink, yellow, green, and blue. I got blue because light blue is my favorite color. And so yeah. And I think this is a bark scorpion because of the size, and it's light brown a little bit and dark brown. So yeah, and what else? Yeah, and also we're gonna be eating it today. Also, if you think scorpions are invertebrates, you're wrong. They're actually arthropods, and they're arachnids with the tarantulas, spiders, and yeah. So let's open this. Imagine Coyote Peterson, and instead of him being stung, he's gonna be like, I'm gonna eat this lollipop. 3, 2, 1. You just have to turn this around. It's really thick, the wrapper, because they don't want to be ruined. Oh, there we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This lollipop is thick too. Oh my God. That's not a picture, guys. That is a scorpion. Oh my God. Coyote Peterson. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
It's sugary and it's good, but it can't take the scorpion out. It's probably gonna take me an hour to get through this, guys. It's really, really thick.
What are you planning to do with the scorpion?
Eating it, store it in my belly, whatever it takes to fit it in my mouth. So good. I feel like my mouth is already blue. And while I'm eating it, I'm just gonna look at the scorpion and say, Wait till I eat you. Best lollipop ever. Only found in Arizona. Wow. It's awesome. Well, I think this is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like down below. And comment down below if you actually got this lollipop, because it's amazing. You better go check it out. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.